Okay, so here is my final Padlet, which is a compilation and reflection of this semester's assignments. The first one is just my name, my section, and then this was my picture of myself. And then next we had the biography, which just told some more about myself so that Miss Debbie was able to know who I was and help with understanding some things that are important to me and different things about me. And then next was the name tent, which we use to be able to know who was present and who was absent during different classes. And I thought the next one is the inspiration map. I thought this one was really cool. Being able to put a bunch of different things that you have going on in your head into one cohesive map to be able to use. And this one was about goals and objectives. So my goal was to be able to know how to use technology in an educational manner by the end of the semester. And I definitely was able to do that, as we'll see with all the um, different assignments that we have after this. And then next was the Symbaloo and Digo, which were the two bookmarking sites. So I learned to be able to take a bunch of different aspects of an assignment that I'm working on or a project that I'm working on and be able to have them all in the same space. So I don't have to go looking for them, trying to search and find anything. And then next we did the brochure on Publisher, which was cool to use because I learned how to make something as simple as a brochure pop in a different way, like with the designs and the different colors, which it would look a lot better versus if you were to do it on a Word document. And the next was Canva, which was another one of the assignments that I really enjoyed because having taken a design class before and having learned how to use like InDesign and Illustrator with Adobe, they were a lot more difficult to use, and it was really simple to use Canva and be able to make something look really nice and not have to go through as much of stress and difficulty to do so. And then next was the Google Slideshow with the mobile app, where I learned about Do Ink and how you can use it to do like drawings and create vectors. And it even lets you take some photos and videos that you have in your camera roll and then add some live drawings to it, which I thought was really cool. And the next was the keynote presentation, which I learned every aspect of this project involved me having to learn something because I had never used a MacBook before. So being able to use the keynote and to learn how to do the different transitions and effects on it was good to have to know how to be able to use in case I have to use another MacBook. And then the blogger was fun for me too because I personally just like writing blogs. I've done a couple of blogs in the past. Um, and with this one, I learned how to do the RSS feeds, which is like incorporating different feeds from other sites onto the blog. And then for the COVID story, sorry that this is my cover page, but for the movie, I learned how to use the movie application in general and putting together all of my different clips and narrating over it. I learned how to create a forgetting, it's slipping my mind, the credits at the end and how to do the different transitions on that too. And then for the Google site, I liked the easy to use aspect of it. Like it was really quick and simple to be able to make a whole website with all the different pages, like with the about me and the resume and the title page. Like it was extremely easy to use. And then of course Padlet. Padlet was another application that was easy to figure out how to use. I like being able to change the background and how adding in different links was really easy. Didn't take long at all either. And then the Screencast-O-Matic also didn't give me any trouble like I thought it would. I was able to figure out how to just go ahead and get right into recording on it. So overall, like I said, I really enjoyed this class. I appreciated being able to take it and not having to stress about wondering if I'm doing something right because I had all of the directions straightforward and provided for me. And I really enjoyed having this class with Miss Debbie.